Right, so we're going to start off with a triangle-like shape, so it looks like a V, and then we're going to make wavy lines for the bottom of the ice cream, just like that. You can follow along with me here. And then we're going to make vertical lines from the ends of those waves, and then we're going to put a wave on top of those two vertical lines. And that's how we're going to stack our ice cream up. So here I'm making these waves, and I'm sure that your waves are looking fantastic. Go up like this, and another wave on top. And this is how you would stack up your different ice cream scoops. So I'm going to do 4 ice cream scoops. You could do as many ice cream scoops as you have the imagination for. So you could do 2, 3, 4, 5, even 6 scoops if you wanted to. But you have to do multiple scoops. And then for the last one, you just make the waves again, and then draw up those vertical lines, and then you want to top it off with a dome shape, or like a C shape, going all the way around like that. All right, now it's time for the creativity part. So put your pencils down and just watch how I finish up here. I'm going to do diagonal lines going one way, and then diagonal lines going the other way on the cone to give it that waffle cone. So if you want to have a waffle cone, that's how you do that. Then you're going to use your crayons and your markers and any kind of combination you want to come up with any kind of flavors that you want. And remember, we want these to be weird, funny, awesome flavors. So this one I'm going to have be strawberry and grape jelly flavor. And I'm just going to keep making all of the different flavors here, and you're going to see how I make them, and then I'm going to label them at the end so you'll know what my thinking is. I can't wait to see what kind of creative and interesting flavors you come up for your crazy ice cream shop.